Hi, I'm Owen from Balloon, and today I'm going to talk you through a little technique of how to resend your campaigns to non-openers. So if you've sent a campaign out to somebody or a group of people, and some of them will have read it, some of them will have opened it, and some of them will not have opened it or read it, and those guys, since you know they haven't read the email or even opened it, you could resend it to them at another time and potentially get those extra opens. You're not going to get all of them, but you can get some of them, so it's worth trying. My recommendation is that when you do this, you don't send it at exactly the same time. So if you send it at 9 o'clock on a Monday morning, don't then send it at 9 o'clock on a Tuesday morning, because chances are if they were busy at 9 o'clock on Monday, they're probably busy on Tuesday. So redo it on a Tuesday by all means, but send it as maybe in like a 1 p.m. or something like that. Just completely change it. Another recommendation is to keep the subject kind of the same. You can change it slightly, but it shouldn't be completely changed, because that tends not to work that well. And basically your aim is to get more opens without annoying or getting unsubscribes. So just to show you how it works, so we're going to click on the to and add recipients. I'll choose an audience, and I'm going to choose to create a new group or segment. And when I do this, I've got a lot of options. What I want to choose is campaign activity, and I'm going to say that they did not open, and then I'm going to choose the campaign that they did not open. So you could do the last 5 campaigns, but that has a purpose. But for this purpose, we're doing what we're doing is we've sent an email yesterday, and we want to resend one or schedule one. Normally I do both at the same time. The very next day, or maybe a couple of days, but not too far away. You wouldn't leave it 2 weeks. I think that would be too long. So next day, next few days, just something to try and regain them. Obviously people might not read an email for 24 hours. That's reasonable to wait a bit longer if you want to, but yeah, I wouldn't wait too long. So yeah, this is how you do it. So you must click on campaign activity to not open. If you've got other criteria you need, then make sure you click all and not any, because you don't want it to be either they did not open or they were part of the list, because then it will send to the people who did open and were part of the list. So make sure you've got all and not any, and then you can choose what other parameters you need, and that's how you send to reopen this. It's a really good technique to get some extra opens and extra conversions basically. So I recommend doing it on all of your campaigns and avoid missing out those extra few people you could get. Do monitor it, make sure you're not getting unsubscribes, make sure you're not annoying people or doing it too frequently, and do test and try and work out the best time to do that, and just follow the other tips. Don't change the subject too much. Thanks for watching. If you like the videos, please subscribe and leave a comment to let us know what else you want to see.